Welcome to the Battle Royale, where we will start off with 10 superstars, who we will not know, but we will start in a random order. And the first person that will come out is... Oh, he's climbing up. The Rock is coming out at number 1 in this giant Battle Royale. This is sick. And coming out next at number 2. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a crazy one to begin with. Ding, 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 ding. Oh my goodness. Already trying to throw him off. Oh, holding on. Barely. Oh, picking him up for a power bomb. What is he doing? Oh, flipping him over. Is he looking for electric chair drop? Oh, running. Oh, trying to run him through. But he catches on. He climbs up. He's trying to follow. Now it's his turn. Now he gets him and a power bomb. Oh, a power bomb right onto the thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming up next, out of the 10 men that will be participating, burn it down! Oh my goodness, he gets Cena. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, he just slammed him right down with a sickening thud. He's trying to get back up. Curve stomp! A curve stomp to Cena's head. Oh. Oh my goodness. What is The Rock looking for? Elbow drop from the top. All the way from above. He just hit him with the elbow drop. So far we have no eliminations. But climbing up. Whoa, it's the big show. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh my goodness, he catches The Rock and a choke slam as he tries to pick up The Rock. Curve stomp, sending him off. Oh my goodness, he's hanging on. All 3 men are getting up. 2 men, Cena and Seth Rollins. Joe, double dropkick. And Big Show has been eliminated. Oh, as he turns around, he's a bit too late. Oh, rock bottom. Oh my goodness, he catches him in an STF. STF. Oh my goodness. And coming out next. Oh my goodness. He's coming from the other side. It's Montez Ford. That's so random. Oh my goodness, he's picking up The Rock. Oh. Oh. The Rock. Holding on by a hair. Oh, is he climbing up? Oh, he catches him. Climbing up.
Benny?
What?
Can you go put Libby in...
Power bomb. sending him straight down. Oh, but he lands onto that ball. He's hanging on for dear life as The Rock climbs up. Coming out next. Oh my goodness. Main event. Jey Uso. Yeet. Yeet. Oh my goodness. Oh, jumping on them all straight down with the pile driver. Yeet. Oh my goodness. The Rock and Jey Uso staring each other down. Oh, super kick. Yeet. Oh. Giant uppercut. Oh, he's about to fall down. Super kick. And Jey Uso just eliminated his cousin. Oh, he's looking to climb up. Coming out next. Oh my goodness. AJ Styles out of nowhere. Suplex. Oh, sending Montez through the hole. Oh, now he got him up. Pile driver. Oh, he's hanging on for dear life. Even though he thinks it's a big drop. He's waiting for him to get up. As he does so, phenomenal forearm! Both of them go flying. Phenomenal forearm. And both of them go flying down. That giant phenomenal forearm just laid both of them out. Coming out next. Oh my goodness, Cody Rhodes. He helps up. Jey Uso. Oh, they're both teaming up on AJ Styles, the recently retired man. Oh, Cena pulls him down. Oh, catches them both. He has them both on his shoulders somehow. AJ Styles climbs to the top. Oh, a giant elbow to both of the men. Oh my goodness. He picks him up. He picks Cody Rhodes up into onto the cross to the other side. Two. Oh, he picks him up. Cena, power bomb. Oh, sending him straight down. AJ Styles climbing up. As Cena does so too. Oh my goodness. Oh, and a Mexican Destroyer on top of Cody. On top of Cody. Nevertheless, Cody is out. So is Cena. Two. Yeet. Oh. Coming out next. It's Powerhouse Hobbs. He's here. Or Royce Keys. Nevertheless, who you call him? He's there. Oh! In a giant crossbody to Jey Uso, picking him up in a powerhouse slam. Oh my goodness, and he rolls down, and Jey Uso has been eliminated. Oh, from the top, phenomenal forearm, no, he catches him. And AJ Styles also gets, don't tell me, a powerhouse slam, and he also goes down. This man is a force to be reckoned with. Oh, he runs at him also. And straight into the post. He's not done. Oh, and a dart to the head. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the last person. It's not who you think it is. It's CM Punk. Oh, CM Punk. He holds on to Powerhouse Hobbs, throwing the big combos. And a giant uppercut, sending him to the ground. He stares at Powerhouse Hobbs. He picks him up. GTS. And he's going backwards. He's stumbling. Oh, Cena gets up. Oh, and a giant uppercut. Cena sends him out. Cena just sended him out. Oh, picking Cena up. Oh! Cena gets hits with the GTS. Oh, out of nowhere comes Cody. And he hits him with a Cross Rhodes. Oh my goodness, he's almost about to fall. CM Punk, no. Cody Rhodes just saved Cena even though he just hit him. Oh. Trying to slam him over. No, he catches himself. He climbs up. Oh, he has him up. Into the suplex. No, straight into the corner. He tries to throw him off, but no. He holds on to the slab on the other side. Oh, lays him out. Cena out for the count. But Cody, oh, going after Cena as much as he possibly can. Oh, he's going up top. He's up top. What is he looking for? Oh, he sets him up for an AA. But no, he catches him in a Cross Rhodes. CM Punk, giant elbow. And there goes Cena. He's out for the count. Who will it be? Oh. Will it be Punk? Or will it be Cody Rhodes? Oh my goodness. Oh. He goes to powerbomb him, but no. And a clothesline into the corner. He comes up, but he's chasing after him. Oh, they're fighting. But we forgot about someone. Montez Ford. Oh, jumps on both of them. Oh, and he pulls them down. Montez Ford single-handedly just take out two of the biggest stars, if not one of the biggest stars here. CM Punk, super kick. Oh, he's stumbling backwards. Cody Rhodes takes the advantage. Oh, uppercut. He turns around. Don't tell me. Blockbuster. And he goes flying off. And Montez Ford just won it. What? There is no way that Montez Ford just hit Cody Rhodes with the blockbuster and won this. This man is a menace. He needs to be stopped. He needs to be stopped. But your winner here tonight, Montez Ford.